There are some people who choose to sell the lake and buy a farm, but is that really profitable? Instead, the farmers choose to build a floating cow farm right on the lake, taking advantage of all natural conditions to develop the farm and earn millions of dollars in profits. Today, we invite you to join us to explore this special cow farm. Floating cow farm on water, future agricultural solution. Perhaps many of you are still quite unfamiliar with this completely new model of cow farming, because it is not really popular around the world. However, some farms have been operating effectively, making this model expected to become a solution for the agricultural industry in the future. So what are the outstanding advantages of floating farms? Instead of being raised on farms on the ground, dozens of cows live in a hotel built on water, receiving comprehensive care with massage and milking robots, spacious accommodations and feeding systems that do automatic feeding. In addition, the floating barn is still linked to large grasslands, so cows can be grazed at any time if needed. The floating cow farm is designed to be as self-sustaining and circular as possible. Floating solar panels provide the necessary energy. Rainwater is collected on the roof and then filtered to become drinking water for the cows. Most cow feed includes brewers, spent grain, bran or tubers such as potatoes, radishes, dry straw and pellets are also added to ensure nutrients for cows. Cow waste is also used as nutrients for nearby farms. With a design that floats on water, this farm can be built anywhere, including the city center. The assembly stage requires skilled technicians and expertise to ensure the final product meets consistent quality. Due to the increasing population and the rising demand for heating, there is a push for the development of the radiator markets. Specifically in Europe, this sector accounts for a revenue share of more than $4 billion USD in 2021 alone. South Korea's automated brick factory can produce 100,000 units per day. Using clay as the primary material, it ensures the highest quality for exterior architecture. Once quality and aesthetics are guaranteed, the bricks are packaged and transported out of the factory, ready to be used in construction projects. The manufacturing of bowling balls is one of the important keys behind this successful throw. Egg packaging is an important process to preserve and protect the quality of the product from the factory to the consumer. Each egg is carefully placed into the tray, then packed discreetly and securely in boxes or cartons. The egg packaging process not only ensures hygiene and safety, but also keeps the eggs from being damaged during transportation. Looking at the sausages moving on the production line, we cannot help but be attracted by the perfection and balance in each sausage. Each sausage is cut symmetrically, on a shiny surface that reflects light, creating an attractive and interesting image. This is truly a beautiful and innovative image of the food production process, where everything is created with meticulousness and diligence to bring us exciting culinary experiences. Meat centrifuge is an important tool in the food industry, helping to effectively separate meat from bones, skin and fat. Through the centrifugation process, the meat is separated and cleaned for use in various processed meat products. The advantage of a meat centrifuge is that it creates an automatic, fast and efficient process for separating meat without requiring much labor. At the same time, the machine also helps increase productivity and save time for food manufacturers. With modern technology, centrifuges for meat are often designed to ensure food safety and save energy, while preserving the quality and natural flavor of meat. Looking at these super big hot dogs, you can't help but be impressed by their grandeur and appeal. With their large size and colorful shape, they become special and attract all eyes. Each sausage is made meticulously and carefully, from the selection of ingredients to the processing process. This careful care not only ensures the best quality but also creates a special culinary experience for those who enjoy it. Seeing these sausages, you will wonder about the delicious and attractive flavor of them. Surely this will be a unique and memorable culinary experience. Do you feel impressed when looking at the sharp blade cutting each piece of beef? You can't help but be impressed by the precision and sophistication in each knife strike. The cutting line is smooth and precise every millimeter, creating even and beautiful slits.